Hello, I would like to tell a story in which I was a co-stander. I was a witness, I was a teacher in elementary school, and it's a story of racial harassment of a child. An Ethiopian boy volunteered to bring some notes to another class, but when he got to the class and wanted to open the door, the children didn't let him in, and one of the girls told him go away, and she called him a nigger, in Hebrew kushi. His mother later came to the principal and she complained that it's not the first time that he was being erased because of his color of his skin, and she said that it breaks her heart, and that she tells her child to be proud of who he is on the one hand, but on the other hand, he was being constantly harassed at school, and school is not a safe place anymore for him. What happened is that mother of the girl who insulted this child, she apologized in front of the other mother, and the counselor and the teacher talked to the mother of the girl and explained how harshly they see this occasion. And afterwards, the homeroom teacher talked to the whole class about acceptance of the other, Kabbalat HaShoneh. And they say that they hope that in the future such harassment will not repeat itself.